Namaste. I am Dr. Srinivas Prasad, consultant radiologist. In today's FAQ session, we will discuss the question most frequently asked, that is ultrasound scan safe during pregnancy? Come, let us discuss in detail about this. Answer for this question is, it is definitely safe. I'll explain you how. In ultrasound, we use ultrasounds. So there is no production of any type of X-rays. What is ultrasound? So it is a sound with a frequency 2 to 18 megahertz. The audible sound range is 20 to 20,000 hertz. In ultrasound machine, the sound frequency generated is 2 to 18 megahertz. So it is outside the normal audible range. So since we use ultrasound, it is absolutely safe to do an ultrasound scan during pregnancy. Theoretically speaking, it generates some amount of heat and microscopic cavities in tissues, but that is theoretical. So we are using ultrasound since last almost 30-35 years. So till now, there is no incidence of side effects of ultrasound or any type of tissues. So practically speaking, ultrasound is absolutely safe. One more radiological investigation what we frequently do is MRI scan. MRI scan is also safe during pregnancy. In MRI, we use magnetic field to generate the images. So there is no usage of any type of radiation in MRI. So MRI is also absolutely safe for all practical purposes during pregnancy. Now there are different type of radiological investigations where is not safe. That is X-rays and CT scan. In both X-ray and CT scan, we use X-rays, that is ionizing radiation. So these X-rays causes harmful effects on the cellular tissue. So during pregnancy, better to avoid X-ray and CT scan. So whenever you are undergoing X-ray or CT scan, cross-check the pregnancy status and inform the technician or the doctor. If it is absolutely necessary, they'll take specific precautions and they'll do X-rays or the CT scan. So ultrasound and MRI are safe for all practical purposes, and X-rays and CT scan are not safe during pregnancy. Hope I have explained in detail about the question. Still, if you have any more questions or doubts, you can mail me at drsrinivasprasad@nisargadiagnostics.com. Please share this information with your loved ones or with your friends, so they are also aware of these things. And you can share this video also with them to spread the message. In my next FAQ session, we will take up the question, what is NT scan and how it is important. Regarding this, we will discuss in detail. Till then, thank you. Bye.